The ninth planet has been a troubling topic for scientists. When Pluto was cut off its planethood and was declared a dwarf planet in August 2006, nobody predicted a replacement to appear in 15 years. But scientists have now found some initial information of a ninth planet in our solar system. The initial assumptions about Planet 9 were based on its apparent gravitational pull on close objects, but no proof of the planet itself was found. Now, a fresh conclusion posits that the so-called ninth planet in our solar system is near and more visible than previously believed. Earlier, it was calculated that Planet 9 completes a single orbit around the Sun in 18,500 years. The new research reduces the estimate to 7,400 years, while indicating that it may be much closer to the Sun and Earth than it is believed to be. The new research was performed by California Institute of Technology's Mike Brown and Konstantin Batygin. It has been authorized for publication in the Astronomical Journal. In discussion with Nat Geo, Brown insisted that Planet 9 is only a couple of years away from being found out. Based on gravitational examinations, the scientists found that the planet may be 6 times larger than Earth, but it's tough to pinpoint whether the planet is rocky like our own or a combination of heavy dense gases like Neptune. If these revelations are true, the planet would change our knowledge about the solar system while overturning the number of planets to the recent count of 9, but without Pluto. Neptune was the last planet to be added to our solar system's list in 1846 when it was found due to the gravitational influence on Uranus. Gravitational pull has assisted scientists to find a collection of space objects from giant stars like the Sun to planets like Earth orbiting around it. Black holes are also examined by how strong gravity is around them. However, not everyone is sure. It's totally possible that the gravitational footprints are just remnants of gravity lingering in space. The scientists have also built a treasure map to support the search for Planet 9. According to them, the planet has been able to hide behind bright objects in the Milky Way's inhabited region, and the study argues that there is a 99.6% chance that the orbital path of icy objects beyond Neptune are a product of Planet 9 instead of being a real chance. However, Planet 9 is still missing in action after a survey of 87% of the southern sky. Astronomers searching for our solar system's tricky Planet 9 and a theoretical world may hide deep in a cloud of icy rocks far beyond the orbit of Neptune have come up short once again. In a paper published on December 23, 2021 in the Astrophysical Journal, researchers pored over 6 years of telescope data in an experiment to identify possible signs of Planet 9 in the southern sky. Caught with the Atacama Cosmology Telescope in Chile between 2013 and 2019, the observations covered around 87% of the sky apparent from the southern hemisphere. While the team observed more than 3,000 candidate light sources discovered between 400 and 800 astronomical units away, none of those candidates could be verified as planets. However, the unsuccessful search doesn't discredit the theoretical planet's existence. It just narrows down where that planet may be hiding and what its properties could be. Ultimately, the study covers between just 10 and 20% of the planet's apparent locations in the sky. Astronomers first started searching for Planet 9 in 2016, or 10 years after Pluto was downgraded from its position as our solar system's ninth planet to become a dwarf planet. Astronomers saw that 6 rocky objects beyond the orbit of Neptune are jammed in a strange way, with the most distant points in their orbits located much farther from the Sun than the closest points of their orbits. The team estimated that the gravitational pull of an invisible planet measuring 5 to 10 times the size of Earth could clarify the eccentricity in those rocks' orbits. Half a decade later, many teams have tried and failed to observe that theoretical world. The biggest hurdle in the hunt for Planet 9 is the steep distance that is involved. While Pluto rotates between 30 and 50 AU from the Sun, the author of the 2016 study calculated that Planet 9 could be anywhere between 4 and 800 AU away, and sunlight may not reach the planet at all. This also means that there's little hope of detecting the cold, dark Planet 9 with basic visible light telescopes. Astronomers turn to the likes of the ACT telescope, which can scan the cosmos in millimeter wavelengths, which is a short form of radio waves that come close to infrared radiation. Millimeter telescopes are often used to peer into the dim, freezing gas clouds where new stars are formed, because such clouds don't consume millimeter light. While this survey fell flat to turn up any clear evidence of Planet 9, new millimeter telescope facilities, such as the Simons Observatory that's now under construction in Chile's Atacama Desert, will continue the search with even more sensitive telescopes while allowing researchers to narrow down where our long-lost neighbor might be lurking. What are your thoughts on the presence of a ninth planet in our solar system? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, it's time to end our today's video. Press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stuff. Peace.